And special thanks to our friends over at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus case in black. Inside of this box is a case, nothing else in there, and got our case. We've got a little Casekoo branded portable phone stand to like hold your phone at your desk, and a little Casekoo pamphlet here, some Casekoo stickers, and of course a black frosted Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus case. So you see the edges are a darker black, same for around the camera module, and then the back is frosted black, so it's a little darker, but you can still kind of see through it. Very nice case to protect your Samsung S24 Plus. You have your power and volume buttons, your speaker and USB-C port, your cutout for your cameras, and no labeling anywhere. There's no branding on this case, no logo, no nothing. Just a nice soft case to protect your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. And thanks to our friends over at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus clear case. Inside of this box is nothing else in there. We have case, we have a Casekoo branded portable phone stand to hold your phone up, and a little Casekoo pamphlet, some Casekoo stickers, and of course a completely clear Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus case. So absolutely no branding on it, no logos anywhere, just a completely clear Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus case, so you can show off your beautiful phone and have it protected. Your cutout for your camera, cutout for your USB-C port and speaker, power and volume rockers, and a nice soft case to protect your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. And special thanks to our friends over at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Galaxy S24 Plus green case. Inside of this box is nothing else in there. We have a case, we have a little Casekoo branded portable phone stand to hold your phone up, and a little Casekoo pamphlet, some Casekoo stickers, and of course a green frosted back Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus case. So you can see the camera cutout here, nice frosted back, darker green around the edges, your power and volume rocker, your speaker and USB-C port, all in a very nice Casekoo soft case to protect your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. And special thanks to our friends over at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Galaxy S24 Plus purple case. Inside of this box, nothing else in there, is our case and a little Casekoo branded portable phone stand to set your phone on, and a little Casekoo pamphlet, Casekoo stickers, and of course a nice purple frosted back Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus case. So you can see the back is clear but frosted in a purple color. The outline of the case around the edges is a darker purple, same for around the camera module. You do have your camera module cutout. You have your cutout for your USB-C port as well as your speaker and your power button and volume rockers. And there is no branding that I can see anywhere on this case. No logos, no nothing. Just a nice soft case to protect your Samsung S24 Plus in a very nice purple color. Thanks again to Casekoo who was nice enough to send this case to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.